last words about Collotype. They were very, very casual about the ink color. I never could figure it out. But you'd find a Collotype book, and one page would be brown, and the next page would be green. And the next page would be blue. It makes absolutely no sense. And these are two plates from one portfolio. You can swear this was a blueprint, and this was a Collotype. They're both Collotypes. And I never have understood what the guys were thinking with the ink color. It's never made any sense to me. Then the second thing about it, which we can see on the little print of the boats that's way down there at the end of Collotype, is that if they made the ink purple, it could look like a photographic print. It would look like an albumin print. So there's a whole subset of fake albumin prints made by Collotype. And I had somebody tell me, I forget who it was a European who visited the American reviewer who said that, oh yes, in 1920, if you went into a photographic studio and there was a photograph and you wanted 50 copies of it, you never knew whether you were going to get albumins or Collotypes. Because many of the little studios had a Collotype press stuck in the corner. And it was worth the labor to save the cost of the silver and gold in the albumin print. So this little picture that you can look at on our break is called an imitation, it's called a Collotype imitation silver print. They have it stamped right on it. And then the last thing I'll say is there's an Edward Curtis photograph. You can sort of see it down there. It's a tall vertical one. And it says, I'm going to actually read what it says. Wait to the video camera. I'll be right back. At the bottom it says, oh, I can't read it without my glasses. Photogravure. Photogravure John Andrew and Son. It's a Collotype. It's a Collotype copy of a photogravure. And it's very funny. So we all know we should never believe what we read, right? But take a look at that, because people might think it's a Curtis gravure. It's not. It's a Collotype thing. Okay. So Collotype was completely doomed. It was a complete dead end. It never was responsible for any high volume printing. Lots of postcards, lots of technical manuals, but it died in the 1960s.